ആരാധനായ സംസ്ഥാന അധ്യക്ഷൻ ശ്രീ രാജീവ് ചന്ദ്രശേഖർജി, ബഹുമാന്യനായ പ്രധാനമന്ത്രി ശ്രീ നരേന്ദ്രമോദിജി, my dear friends and leaders, first of all, I would like to express my sincere thanks to Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi and the BJP state and the central team for giving me an opportunity to serve as the mayor in the city in the coming years. Dear Modi, during the election campaigning, our slogan was Vikasit Bharatam. The developmental activities which is going on in our country for the last 11 years, under your effective and able leadership motivated us to raise the slogans, and the people of Trivandrum totally accepted, and this is behind the reason for this glorious victory. I would like to mention you an important thing that during the election campaigning from various parts, especially from our media friends, repeatedly asked not to the leaders, to the workers also, is it possible to be here Narendra Modi within 45 days after the poll. I am very proudly say that, media friends, here is our Prime Minister, Honorable Narendra Modi, to bless this city. Modi ji, your 3 times tweets and your letter addressing Trivandrum and Kerala and mentioning Trivandrum's names, especially in Calcutta and Assam programs, and your presence here, it motivated us to implement the slogans raised by us during the election campaign.